Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how to create Instagram account. Open your Instagram, click on create new account. Now give your mobile number, or if you want to sign up with your email, then you can select sign up with email. I sign up with my email. Now click on next. Now you can create any password you want. I type my password. Now save login info if you want. Select your date of birth. I choose mine. Next. Now type your name. I write my name. Now Instagram automatically suggested me a username. You can edit it according to, but I use it same as it is. Click on next. Now read all these terms and privacy and services. I agree. Okay, your Instagram account is created. You have, if you want to add any picture, you can add picture, but I don't choose any picture. I just skip it. Okay, my Instagram account is created. By tap on sync, your phone numbers are automatically sync. It he asked if you want to connect with Facebook, but I click on skip because I don't want to connect with Facebook. Okay, share your profile with friends so they can start following you. No, I don't want to share my profile. Now skip it. There's an option to discover people whom you may know, but I also skip it. My Instagram account is created. You can see. Okay, there is one more thing. If you want to edit your profile, then go to this in the corner. Now you can edit your profile. You can create your avatar. You can add anything you want. Your profile picture, your bio. You can change your username, name, anything. Okay. Now your Instagram account is finally created. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.